Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Scratch. This is me Mohammad Sabirullah and I'm going to guide you through this wonderful world of creative coding with Scratch. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into our topic. So first things first, what exactly is Scratch? Scratch is a free online platform developed by MIT where you can create interactive stories, games and animations using block-based coding. I repeat, block-based coding is designed to be beginner-friendly, making coding accessible and fun for learners of all ages. Learning Scratch is a fantastic way to develop your logical thinking, problem-solving skills and creativity. Plus, it's a great introduction to the world of programming without needing prior experience. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started in Scratch. We'll begin by exploring the basic features first and gradually move into creating animations, games, and more advanced projects. By the end, you will have the skills to build your own interactive creations. So, let's start with the features of Scratch. So, you basically can take two steps to start with Scratch. First one is just go to this website, that is our official website of Scratch, that is mentioned like scratch.mit.edu. Just click over this create option, you'll get this window. Basically this is the main window of Scratch where you can see some separated parts, like here we can see a part of it, maybe in there another part, and in the left side you can see some options like motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. So basically these are all blocks. By using these blocks you can create an action of that particular sprite. Here this object, this sticker stamp, we call it sprite in this case. So you can move this sprite by using this code block, okay? And there are more tabs like custom. This custom tab is basically for redesigning your sprite, or maybe you can modify the sprite. You can see how many customs are available over there, and then you have some sound effect too. That means you can also attach or add any sound to your project, right? So another thing I want to explain over there, if you click on this sprite, you can basically add multiple sprites over there. We'll see it eventually one by one. And here is the property level where you can see the property of this sprite. Just look over the X and Y measurement. If you move it, it will be changed, right? So that's how we can calculate the current position of each sprite. So it is really helpful to make our project. Okay, so this is the normal way how we can create the Scratch software, and this is an overview of this Scratch main window. And now let's see how you can download this Scratch app into your machine or your computer or your PC, so that it will be really easy to manage, easy to use, and you don't need the internet connection on that case. So to do so, first you have to go down like this and then just search this resource option. Over there you'll get this download option. Just click on it and wait for it a little bit. You'll see this page will come up. Here you have 4 different platforms for this Scratch software, that is the application, and here you can choose your OS. Like if you are using Windows, then you just click on this Windows option, or if you're using Mac OS, and also there are 2 more operating system support, that is Chrome OS and also for Android. Okay, so just click on your specific Windows and just you can directly download by clicking over there. And you can also see some extra facility, or maybe the installation process is also given over there. So it's really helpful and it's really easy. Just download your file. For Windows it will be .exe. So after downloading your exe file, just run your exe file and you'll get the steps how to install that particular file, that means Scratch, and it's really easy to do that. Okay, you can also find some older version over there. And let's read some FAQ, frequently asked question. Do I have to download an app to use Scratch? No, obviously not. You can also use the Scratch project editor in most web browsers that I have already shown you, right? Just clicking on create option. How do I connect the Scratch app to hardware devices? Okay, there is the facility that you can attach, I mean you can connect your Scratch app. That means you can do the interaction between software and hardware, and for that you need that particular hardware that is supported for this Scratch app. Okay, so you need to find out that hardware first, only then it is possible to make some project depending on hardware and software interaction. And can I share to the online community from the Scratch app for Windows? Sharing directly to online community from the Scratch app for Windows is not currently supported. For now, they are just doing the process maybe, so we have to wait for it. Then can I use the Scratch app and also have the Scratch open in the browser? Yes, obviously you can do this multi-threading at a time. Okay, then can I use the Scratch on my Android phone? Basically the Android platform is available, but it will only work on tablet PC because there is some issues with the screen. So if you consider your phone, then it will be really hard to maintain all the feature that I have shown you over there, right? This is the main screen. So if you are using tablet PC, you're really good to go. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. From the next one, we'll learn step by step how we can create our interesting project in Scratch, and how we can make a good one. Okay, good project. Maybe someday we'll be able to make advanced project on this platform. Okay, thank you so much. So bye bye.